everyone, welcome back to our channel called Chronicles. Today I'm back with a new episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know about the different types of credit card that is being offered by Bank of America. And I'm going to be specifically focusing on the travel reward credit card that is being offered by Bank of America. So here I'm going to list out the information regarding the following credit card. Now then, to begin with, you just have to go and open up a browser, type in america.com or bankofamerica.com/credit card /product/travel reward credit card. Don't worry about a link. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and briefly introduce or state about the credit card. So first of all, you could go and enjoy the flexibility to redeem points toward travel, dining out, or takeout purchases. Unlimited 1.5 points for every $1 spent on all the purchases, everywhere, every time. And flexibility to redeem point for a statement credit for travel purchases such as flights, hotel stay, vacations, rental or baggage fees, as well as for restaurant purchases including. So if you're unable to understand the procedure or if you're unable to get more information about it, you can scroll down a bit and there is a particular section regarding the card details. So here you could go and read all of the information that has been provided and then you could go and apply for it. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.